Good morning and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Maddie G.
We take you now to a special announcement with Trevor and Palco.
Hello, Anvil Island. This is Palco and Trevor.
And we are here to pump you up.
But first, we need to find our lost beach ball. It's about that big.
And we last saw it that way.
Or was it that way? And
We need to find it now. I don't think it's under here.
I don't think so either. It's not under here.
It's not under here either.
It's not up here.
It's not here either.
We have found our beach ball. Hooray!
Thanks, Palco and Trevor. And now for the weather.
Am I fired? Did I not do a good job? Jelana was there to help me, but I could do better. Okay, so today it's going to rain. Lots. I can tell. Because my ear's twitching all day. See, look. Twitch, 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 twitch. And then there's going to be no sun today. You know why? I don't either, but I can just tell by the clouds. No sun, just rain and thunderstorms. That is something else I don't want to see. I don't want to see that. Go away.
Well, Anvil Island, this is the last Anvil News Sports Update for 2010. It's been great speaking with you guys, and I hope you have a great rest of the summer. Oh, one more thing. Janelle made us this little metal thing. It says Jordan and Maddie. And Matt, you know, it's made me realize I really think that we should just put aside our differences and just you know, just be friends. You know, let's
I agree.
Symbol of friendship,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is how it is. Maddie and Jordan together.
Woo, woo.
Goodbye, Anvil Island.
Push.
This is Jordan Lee signing off.
I'm signing off.